Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening WhatsApp and heading straight to Settings, then Account, then Two-Step Verification. Tap Enable and enter a 6-digit PIN. Pick something memorable yet not obvious. Once done, WhatsApp asks for the PIN again to confirm. This prevents typos. Make sure to add a recovery email now. It lets you reset the PIN if you forget it. If you skip the email, you risk being locked out for 7 days. After confirming the PIN, you'll enter the recovery email and tap Verify. This step ensures you can regain access later, so check your inbox and click the verification link. Once verified, WhatsApp offers options like requiring the PIN when registering on a new device. Enable that for stronger protection. You can also change the PIN later. However, avoid frequently reusing the same numbers. Remember, this process ties your account to a human-known secret. Finish by saving settings and, if you like, test the flow. Simulate registering on a device to ensure the PIN prompt appears. To change the PIN later, go back to Settings, Account, Two-Step Verification and choose Change PIN. This keeps control in your hands. If you get locked out, first use the recovery email to reset. If you didn't add one, you must wait 7 days before you can re-verify without the PIN. That waiting period prevents unauthorized takeovers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.